Today we are looking at two ideal indent sizers. These are double indent sizers. These units have two indent sizing drums apiece inside of them. This is a special order for a customer doing oregano down in Texas. These units were completely rebuilt. They were disassembled, thoroughly sandblasted, repainted. All of the wear components were checked. Everything is in good condition on these. The customer is doing oregano, so he requested that we thoroughly sandblast the inside of these units. You can see inside of the liftings discharge here, you can see the auger and the liftings trough. It's very clean. The customer also requested that the discharges not be painted. He just wanted them thoroughly sandblasted. Again, this was a special order because of that. We had to get the insides perfectly clean. Anything that his product would come in contact with had to be bare metal. Any rust or debris or paint had to be removed. We did that. You can see here, these units were thoroughly sandblasted. Everything looks great. Just doing a walk around of these units, and then we will fire them up. Now the sun is shining at the perfect angle, so as I step back here, there's going to be some lens flaring. Hopefully I can get close enough to keep that from happening. There we go. Again, these units were completely rebuilt. They were disassembled, thoroughly sandblasted, repainted, reassembled. All of the wear components were checked over. In a minute we will pop the inspection covers off so you can see the insides. These units are in excellent condition now and are ready to go back to work and run for a long time. Alright, I have popped the inspection covers off so we can see the insides. You can see the inside of this unit. Everything is clean. Again, we thoroughly sandblasted this unit. We put all new roller chain on these units. It has all new drive chain. The sprockets were thoroughly inspected. They showed no wear. We can see the other end here. The insides of these units are very clean. Everything looks great on them. Coming over here to the other unit. This is the second unit of the two. This is the second, that's the first. You can see the insides of this unit as well. Everything looks great on these units. Everything's in good condition. Again, we put new drive chain on this unit. Inspected the sprockets. They showed no signs of wear. Roller chain is in good shape. You can see the insides of this unit here. Everything is clean. These units are all powered by three-phase electric motors. Now, because of the power limitations of our shop, I can only run one motor at a time. So I will start with this unit. I'll run the top one, then the bottom one, then I'll run the top one on that unit and the bottom one. All right, I had to move the second unit closer to the door so I could hook it up to power. We have it running. Hums right along. There were no irregular noises. Motor fires right up. Starts strong, runs strong. There's no rubbing or irregular noises. Everything is working as it should. Hums right along. This unit is nice and quiet. Again, these units were completely rebuilt. This unit is set up in the cascade configuration, so the product is introduced up there at that small hopper, runs through the first unit, then it falls into the second unit, runs through the second unit, and is discharged here. These two units are both set up in the cascade configuration. All right, I've connected power to the bottom unit. It's humming right along. There are no irregular noises, no rubbing, no scraping. Just hums right along. See inside of the unit as it runs. Everything's lined up. Runs perfectly. You can see the drums here. And then we can see the discharge end. You can see the main bearings turning. You can see the liftings auger turning. All of the controls are free and work as they should. These are all around nice units, ready to go to work. All right, and now we have the top unit of the second Indent up and running. Fires right up, motor starts strong, runs cool. You can see the main bearings turning here. Has all new drive belts as well. These units have all new drive belts. This unit just hums right along. There are no irregular noises. You can see the liftings auger there. Hopefully if the camera will focus. There we go. Again, the insides are very clean on these units, as requested by the buyer. Now we are going to fire up the last unit here on the bottom. And here you can see the bottom unit running. Fires right up, hums right along. You can see the main bearing turning there. You can see inside of the indent drum. This unit just hums right along. Again, both of these units have been rebuilt. These were a special order for a gentleman in Texas. He will be using these on oregano. That is why he needed the insides to be nice and clean, thoroughly sandblasted. These units are in stock. We have about 30 in the warehouse. They can be bought as is, mechanically sound. That means tuned up without any sandblasting or painting. Or they can be purchased completely rebuilt like these units you see here. These units are available through us here at Commodity Traders International. Thank you for watching.